Hello everyone, welcome to our channel Higher Mathematics. In this video lecture, I am going to discuss next PYQ of partial differential equation asked in GATE 2018. So our question is, if the characteristic curve of the partial differential equation x uxx plus 2x square uxy is equals to ux minus 1 are mu xy is equals to c1 and vxy is equals to c2, where c1 and c2 are constant, then what is the value of mu and v? So here this is the characteristic, this is a partial differential equation. To find the characteristic of this partial differential equation, we have to see which type of curve this is, equation this is. So this is equation. Here r is equals to x, s is equals to 2x square, and t is equals to 0. So x square minus 4rt is equals to 4x 4, which is greater than 0. So this is the hyperbola type equation, and in hyperbolic equation we have two real characteristic curve. So for finding the real characteristic curve, we construct the equation of polynomials. What is r lambda square plus s lambda plus t is equals to 0. Here r is what, x, s is what, 2x square. So x lambda square plus 2x square lambda plus t is equals to 0 is equals to 0. Taking the x and lambda common, lambda plus 2x is equals to 0. So here what we see, lambda is equals to 0 and lambda is equals to minus of 2x. We get two distinct value of lambda. So what is the characteristic equation about this? So first characteristic equation, dy by dx is equals to 0, and the second characteristic equation is dy by dx is equals to minus 2x. So if we integrate this two equation, what we get, y is equals to c1 and second y is equals to minus of x square plus c. If we taking solving this and simplifies it, what we get, x square minus y is equals to c2 and y is equals to c1. We get this characteristic curve. Let this be mu of xy and this be v of xy. So what we get here, first we see what is a v of x, where v of x is y, v of x is y here, v of y here, here is not, here is not. So option 2 is discarded. C and D option are discarded. Now first next we see mu of xy. Mu of xy here is x square minus y, and mu of xy is x square. So this option also discarded. So option A is correct. So this is the solution of this question. If you like this video, hit the like button, and for more such video you can subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.